So today I am doing a cooking class with Chef LeeZ. It's a 12-course cooking class. So I just got to the other side of Bangkok and starts in a little bit. So let's check it out.
This galango. Look like ginger,
Yes.
but not ginger. Same, but different. You can smell. The pea eggplant. We have also when you cook it, you bite the pop in the mouth. Tastes a little bit bitter. The strong chlorophyll. Yeah. Also. Everywhere.
I'm
See
sweating
that?
enough as it is.
Yeah. The chili. He's not sure what is a ham. Or male or female. Or we have all this
no
one.
bugs.
And all this.
How do you do?
And all this one.
I'm Canadian, I'm retired. They've legalized cannabis here, so I'm going to get adventurous. I've smoked it for 50 years, and now I can actually grow when I smoke.
In Thai open only 4 months.
Oh, really?
Only 4 months. That one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why he come back. Okay, some
Cannabis
person.
is allowed.
Just Thai allow only the 4 months. Then you can go at home.
In June, it became non-criminal. 3,000 prisoners were released, including those who had been recently busted with 400 kilos. So all the records are expunged. There is no cannabis-related criminal stigma.
And then this one, the water from the brown one is like this. Water is sour. Not same like the green, the young coconut. That's the water that's sweet. You can sit like this, and women sit like sexy women. You know the Thai own style. Before when they married, they check the woman before. If Thai women don't know how about cooking, cannot marry. That's the old style. But right now, women check the man. Milk. It's like a coconut cream. Yeah. In the bowl from the fresh one. And this one from the packet.
That's package.
Yeah.
Package.
Oh, you should have told me when the blind taste test.
Yeah.
It's so good.
This is tamarind and this coconut sugar. I have one bowl like this, like a 1 kilo. The Chinese whole person, they can eat all. You can see that somehow that's like water, they come out. And smell. All smell. With the most many times they sell in a packet already. 7 head, 20 baht. And then when they serve up, man sit down, woman take care of this food for you. Not me. I say no. Give Yum, cheese, chili, garlic, and shallot. To break a little bit, when you cook, they have aroma, they come out. And this one is shrimp stock. Then that's the shrimp stock. Remember, I showed you the shrimp shell lemongrass. When you cook, this one original, and this one with tourist. The lemongrass is in the color. Peppercorn leaf and chili. And also for this, have a sour from tamarind.
This is the local way. This is the tourist way.
One
Different rice.
is rice. And rice. Sugar, a little bit salt, and a coconut cream. This one have to make the curry paste. And this cumin. Cumin, what they say? The
Coriander.
And this one the coriander seeds. And the black pepper. You can use.
Koriander, zwarte
And
peper.
then black pepper.
Yep.
Red curry.
Easy enough.
Yeah. And take out this. Put the turmeric, yellow curry. Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. 'Cause it's
Like this.
mixing it too much.
Yeah.
Last one, sticky rice marinade in the coconut cream, sugar and salt. Not eat yet.
Best mango sticky rice. Right?
Bird.
Well, I came back from the cooking class and took a little nap, and now it's pouring rain. So I guess we'll see if it dims down a little bit. We can go out and get something to eat. Alright, so I made it to this restaurant. It has a good vibe, so I've been wanting to check it out. So I ordered an orange juice. My server is trying to convince me that this is orange juice. It's like a green apple icy. I got my drunken noodles. Let's try them. It's pretty good. It's not as good as some of the other stuff I've had, but it's good. That was pretty good. The egg was more filling than I expected. I'm about to get a foot massage now. Oh, hi. So I got a massage from the master and the apprentice, and now they brought me some tea. Alright guys, so cooking class was totally cool. Definitely do that when you're in Thailand. I wasn't sure it was gonna be something I would really love doing, but it was super fun. It was great to try all the different dishes and learn a little bit about what goes into making them. This evening's had some okay food, but the highlight of the evening was definitely the massage. Had like a master and an apprentice massager. So the one lady was really good, and she was teaching the other lady, so that was nice. Definitely an interesting experience. It was my first just foot massage since I've been here. So yeah, about to settle in for the night. It's getting pretty late, and I will see y'all next time.